Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to Psych Sculpt Studio. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of academic achievement, specifically focusing on how to ace your exams with flying colors. Get ready to supercharge your study routine with these two expert-backed techniques, straight from the playbook of psychologists. Stay tuned for some game-changing insights. Before we dive into these incredible techniques, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, all under the same username. Now, without further ado, let's kickstart this video. Dear learners, SQ3R stands for Survey, Question, Read, Recite, and Review. It's a structured approach to studying that helps you engage actively with your material. The first step is survey. This involves quickly scanning the material to get an overview. Look at headings, subheadings, images, and any summary sections. This primes your brain for what's to come. Next up is a question. Formulate questions based on the headings and subheadings. This turns your reading into an active search for answers. Now, let's move on to read. As you read, focus on finding answers to the questions you've generated. This keeps you engaged and helps you grasp the main ideas. Step number 4 is a recite. Close the book and try to recall the main points using your own words. This reinforces your understanding and memory. Finally, we have review. Regularly revisit your notes and the material you've studied. This strengthens your memory and helps you connect concepts over time. To sum it up, the SQ3R technique is a powerful tool to boost your learning. Remember, survey, question, read, recite, and review. Give SQ3R a try in your next study session, and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Now, let's proceed to our second technique, the POWER technique. In this approach, the acronym POWER signifies prepare, organize, work, evaluate, and rethink. Let's kick things off with the first step, prepare. This is all about setting yourself up for success. Gather your essential tools, lay out your goals clearly, and cultivate the right mindset to tackle the tasks ahead. Moving on to the O in POWER, we have organize. This phase is the backbone of efficiency. Arrange your tasks in order of priority, create a structured plan, and ensure a seamless workflow. Now, on to the W, work. This is where the real action happens. Dive into your tasks with unwavering focus, dodge distractions, and maintain a steady pace to accomplish your goals. Once you've put in the effort, it's time for E, evaluate. Take a step back and assess your progress. Celebrate your achievements and pinpoint areas that could use improvement. Lastly, R stands for rethink. Embrace innovation during this phase. Reflect on your methods, explore fresh perspectives, and adapt your strategy for even better outcomes. That's the POWER technique in a nutshell: prepare, organize, work, evaluate, and rethink. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you'll unleash a new level of productivity. Don't miss out on more productivity tips. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.